Hello, my name is Fatima, and I'm going to be doing what's in my kids video. So, yeah, let's get started. So, I have a brown and white polo, Viva polo bag, just like locked, and it has clutch, a right clutch. And it has like zippers. I'll give you over the bag. So, the first thing I have is the specific Hawaiian Ruby Dawa moisturizing lotion. Smells really, really good. Next thing I have is my Princess Wallet for the crystal. And I have my. I'm sorry, I just got that. Now, next thing I have is airplane. It's regular white. I have Glass Shine Mama Lisa lip gloss. I don't know if you can see kind of. Yeah, that's really good. And I also have the phone cover really doesn't fit the phone, but I just like to put it. And I don't even know what happened to the front of the part of it. So. But anyway, I'm not gonna turn it on, but it is it's the HTC Evo 6. Yeah. And I also have diet calls off diamonds, like the purple scenery with the puppy, cute little puppy. Yeah. It's a hog thing. So, yeah, I hope you. Oh, I have one more thing. No. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, yeah, I'll let you know how this tomorrow. So, yeah, check it out. Lots of fun. Oh, I want to do one thing.